Dear friends and students, today we are discussing section 74 to 87 of Rajasthan Land Revenue Act 1956. In these provisions, the appeal, revision, review, and reference have been made. Today we shall discuss only the provisions of appeal from section 74 to section 77, discussing these terms is necessary as these are the procedure to impart the justice by the court. It means administration of justice is done with the help of the procedures laid down in these techniques. We have to discuss the appeal. Before discussing the appeal, revision, review, and reference, it is necessary to understand these terms. First of appeal. When aggrieved person is not satisfied by the decision of a court, he may go to higher court to get decision from the higher court. The right of the appeal is not an inherent right. It is a substantive right which may be used by the aggrieved person or aggrieved party. In case where appeal is not done, revision may be done. Revision is submitted in those cases where any decision of a court has been done not according to the jurisdiction of court. There may be decision has been given excess of jurisdictions, without jurisdictions, using jurisdiction more than real jurisdictions. Review is requested or submitted to the same judge or same court that there had been an apparent wrong on the decision and that wrong is apparently seen. The request is done to the same court or same judge to review or see again, reconsider his decision. But in a 99% cases, same decision or determination is done. Mostly no change is made by the same judge in his own decision. Now we have discussed the terms. What is the reference? Reference is made by a court to the High Court in case any advice in respect of the interpretation of law is taken, or any interpretation of custom is taken from a higher judiciary or high court. The case is referred or a matter is referred to the High Court. In Rajasthan Land Revenue Act, the case is referred to the Revenue Board of Rajasthan. Rajasthan Revenue Board may also refer the case to the High Court for the advice as it is required. These are the some interpretation of terms. Now we have to discuss the appeal. Before discussing the appeal, important facts about appeal may also be discussed. The right of appeal is a substantial right, it is not an inherent right. Under these acts, in case of allotment of land, the appeal or petition may be submitted, but no writ may be submitted. Appeal against the orders of the revenue courts or subordinate officers can be made under this act. Under the provisions of this act, no appeal may be made other than the provisions of this act. These are Section 61 of the Act laid that appeal not more than 2 times can be made. It means 2 times appeal may be made at a 2 stages, not more than 2 times or not more than the second appeal. These are the questions now we will discuss. The section 74 we have discussed, the appeal may be done under this act only, not the other acts. It has been described in section 74. Now in a section 75 laid down the provisions of the appeal. The original orders of Tehsildar, apart from the order of settlement or land recourse, the appellate authority will be the collector, original order of the assistant collector, block development officer, block development authority, and collector other than settlement cases shall be made to the commissioner. Appeal shall be made to the commissioner. In case of a revenue board and officer subordinate to revenue board, the appeal shall be made to settlement officers or collector under section 181. The appeal of settlement officer shall be made to settlement commissioner, and the appeal of land revenue officer shall be made to the director of land revenue. Appeal against the original order of collector shall be made to revenue appellate authorities. Now the appeal of revenue appellate authority, appeal of settlement officer, appeal of settlement commissioner, appeal of commissioners, and appeal of director of land revenue records shall be made to revenue board. But it must be taken into consideration, the appeal to Revenue Board shall be made only when the question of interpretation of law is involved. Now we shall discuss the section 76. We have discussed 74, 75, that we will discuss in section 76. 76 laid down the provisions of the second appeal. Second appeal the original orders of the collector, the second appeal will be Revenue Appellate Authority, original order of settlement officer, district land revenue officer, original second appeal will be settlement commissioner or director of land revenue, original order of appellate authority, Revenue Appellate Authority, second appeal will be the Revenue Board, the Rajasthan Revenue Board. In this way, original order of settlement commissioner and Revenue Appellate Authority, the appeal can be done to the Revenue Board. Thus, we have discussed section 74, 61, 75, 76. Now, we have to discuss the other section in the next chapter. And next in the next discussion and in next lecture. If you have been benefited by this lecture, please subscribe the lecture, share and like the lecture so that I may be motivated and I may give you other lectures for your own benefits. Thanks. Dhanyavad.